Oy, mag-ipay!
Sa'yo lang dito, ikot mo.
There. There, the axis.
Ikot mo, ikot mo. Ikot.
Ano, kayo ba?
Ganda, ano eh.
Okay, oh, come on. A comet? Oh, yun nga naman yung Earth.
Ah, ito.
Space shuttle.
Ikot mo.
May pangalan yan, no? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars.
Wala na Mars.
Yan, Earth.
Wala na Mars.
Oh, wag mo muna yung Mars. Skip mo yung Mars. Jupiter.
From the sun take much longer. The most remote planet, Neptune, takes more than 160 years. Hence, the further a planet is from the sun, the more time it takes to orbit. We may call and group them as planets, but there are differences. Let's compare their sizes, shall we?
Observing the night sky ends with daybreak. But is that when the astronomers go to bed? No way. This is when they put their solar telescopes to work. You can find the biggest ones in places that have calm air and clear weather for most of the year, like here in the Canary Islands. But the best solar observatory is not located on Earth. It's on an orbit 36,000 kilometers away from us. It's called the Solar Dynamics Observatory, or SDO, and it's been continuously observing the Sun since 2010.
Beja and Gondwana.
Ako water.
Will human beings still be around to find out
Water.
if we survive? How much change
Lo, si Soiler yun.
and enduring problem can
Yun. Wow! Siler. Laki ng Earth. Oh, nasa isang kamay lang, oh. Ang lakas. Okay. Oh. Are you going to space now?
Ito. Ang cute. Ganda.
Perfect.
Kabila yung kabila.
Let's walk.
Dun, dun, dun. Oh, earthquake.
Oh, tibay nung kayo sa inyo. Last one.
Saan na yung push? Oh, push mo. What happened? Oh. Tumaas yung soil. Okay. Okay. Wow. The other one. Oh, galing. Magic. Oh, tignan mo. Naangat ni Siler, Daddy. Oh, look. Oh. Oop, no hands. Oh. 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 Galing.
Ito yung microscope. Nakita niya yan?
Ah. Ay.
I-adjust mo ganun.
Oo. Galing.
Doon, hindi nyo pa dyan.
Yes.
Oh, what's this?
Balik ko sa office.
Oh, i-start mo daw, i-start.
Tapos na. Maulit na. Yan. Kami, dire-diretso. Tandaan lang.
Forward na. Ulo, yun na yung ano. Creation yan ng ano. Day 1. Then the Lord created. Forward.
Isan mo.
Forward, tagal.
What's nature in slow-mo?
Mga naman eh. What's nature in slow-mo? Ganito ba ito? Ganito.
Na, yung bulaklak, naging ano na. Nalata na. Oo, namulaklak na. Oh. Josh. Ang bilis!
Bilis naman.
Yung dating basket nito ako, sino ang White Ages. When you zoom out, you can see it.
Very good.
Compounds came to the Earth on meteors. Some scientists believe that these microbes may have come from Mars, and scientists continue to look for evidence of life outside our planet. No matter how life on Earth began, one thing is for sure: life on Earth is truly amazing.
Oh,
Saka sa gitna.
1, 2, 3. Tyler, picture.
Wala pa nga yung ano eh, dino eh. Ina!
Dito.
La, pumasok na sa mukha!
Uy, pasok tayo.
Ganun na, hawak mo.
Tyler!
Ayan, tara.